Today marks a new turning point in the history of humanity. Nowadays, believers take pride in the fact that their Quran saves the world from the complexity of dietary schools and their negative aspects. The Quran informs us about the food that heals, beautifies, strengthens, and protects. By following this, you can avoid the costs of visiting doctors, hospitals, and beauty clinics. For athletes, it saves the expense of various dietary supplements and harmful drugs. In reality, the noble Quran encompasses several different dietary systems. However, the Quran emphasizes that the best diet, incomparably, is based exclusively on the fats and meat of livestock. It highlights the importance of their fats more than their meat. Therefore, today's challenge for all people is